Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about apply. To learn more about the apply, you can go through here and see like how apply and call works. So apply has we can pass the parameters. The first parameter is the context. Second parameter is array of arguments which we are going to pass in the method. So it's basically for calling any methods if we have some method max, if you want to call it with some context, then you can do that. Otherwise, we can pass null here. So that's pretty much simpler, same. But the first parameter have some extra flexibility for us. Like if we can use this context to access some other variables as well. Like for example, let's create one object, and I will have x1, xy2. Okay. And so we have a function sum. Okay, we have sum x, y, and it returns x plus y. Now the sum, if you want to call sum, right? Sum dot apply. But here, if we right now pass it null, and the second parameter would be an array of items. So this is fine. So these arguments are getting passed similarly. So if we will have three parameters, just pass it three items here. So now it is getting some. But let's say this function is also having this dot x here. So for now, this will in this function this will be window. Actually, this is inside here, so this is undefined, right? And so this is not array function. It means in the array function. So that will depend like how we are calling this method. Right? If we are calling it from window, this will be x will be the window. Here now, if we have some apply, let's pass object 1 and pass the parameter 1 to 1 and 0, and let's see what is happening. So although we have passed 1 and 0, but this is showing 2. Reason behind that, the x is coming from here. So we can utilize another class, another object, anything in any other method once we pass a context of it. So this is same we are calling method, but we are increasing its functionality. We can utilize this context. All right. So that's it for apply. In call, you can just do the same thing, but here if you pass separately, all the arguments will be passed separately. Okay. If I pass the same value, it will show. So these are all about call and apply. You can practice it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.